Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to react on a message in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the chats option in the bottom right corner. Open the chat where you want to react the message. Now tap and hold on the message that you want to react. Then tap on the reaction that you prefer. Similarly, you can follow the same process in order to react to someone's message. So that is how you can react on a message in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.